In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Sellfy account. By the end, you'll have a storefront that's ready to showcase your products and accept payments, all without getting lost in complicated settings. Start by opening your browser and heading to sellfy.com. On the home page, look for the button that says Start Free Trial and click it. This will take you to the sign-up page. Enter your name, your email address, and a secure password you'll remember. After you submit that form, check your email inbox for a verification message. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute and check your spam or promotions folder. Open the message and click the verification link so your account becomes active. Once you're in, add your first product. This is important because your store needs at least one item before you can really see how it all looks. Go to the Products section and choose Add New. If you're selling a digital file, upload the file. If it's a physical product or a service, upload clear product images instead. Give your product a concise name, write a helpful description that explains what buyers will get, and set a price that reflects its value. Keep the description scannable and honest, and use images that look clean and professional. When you're happy, save your product. Next, customize your storefront so it matches your brand. Head to Store Settings and then Customize Store. Update your store name so it's recognizable and easy to remember. Upload a logo that looks crisp at small sizes, pick a theme that complements your brand colors, and adjust the layout so your product is front and center. Preview your changes as you go to make sure everything is easy to read and looks good on both desktop and mobile. Save your design when you're satisfied. To get paid, connect a payment method. Sellfy supports Stripe and PayPal, so you can choose the option that works best for you. Stripe is great for credit and debit cards, while PayPal serves buyers who prefer paying with their PayPal balance or linked accounts. Follow the prompts to connect your account securely. Once connected, your checkout is ready to accept payments. At this point, you've verified your account, added a product, customized your store, and connected payments. Share your store link, keep your product details accurate, and update visuals as you grow. You're all set to start selling with Sellfy.